Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions for CMET examinations part 18. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Which among the following has developed a Bhuvan Panchayat 3.0 for better planning and monitoring of government projects? So the correct answer is option B, which is ISRO. For better planning and monitoring of government projects, the Indian Space Research Organization launched the Bhuvan Panchayat web portal version 3.0 for the first time. The thematic data based on the 1.10 scale for the entire country is available with integrated high resolution satellite data for planning. Question number 2. Who was bestowed with the title Punjab Kesari and Lion of Punjab? So the correct answer is option A, which is Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was one of India's most celebrated freedom fighters. His ideology of nationalism and zealous patriotism earned him the title Punjab Kesari and Lion of Punjab. Question number 3. India's first underwater metro in Kolkata will be ready by March dash. So the correct answer for the same is option C, which is by March 2022. The East-West project of Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation is expected to be completed by March 2022 after several years and double cost. India's first underwater metro will partially run under the Holy River. Question number 4. The country's first super fab lab was inaugurated in which state? So the correct answer is option B, which is in Kerala. The country's first super fab lab, which will give a major push to a hardware industry in the country, and the only such facility outside the US was launched and at the integrated startup complex of a Kerala startup mission. Question number 5. Which company has announced to grant USD 1 million to promote news literacy among Indians to avoid spreading of misinformation? So the correct answer is option B, which is Google. Technology giant Google announced a USD 1 million grant to promote news literacy among Indians. The money will be given to Internews, a global non-profit which will select a team of 250 journalists, fact checkers, academics, and NGO workers for the project. Question number 6. Bombay Shaving Company has appointed which Bollywood actor as its brand ambassador? So the correct answer option B, which is Karthik Aryan. Bombay Shaving Company has appointed Karthik Aryan as its brand ambassador. Question number 7. Which company has built the C448 of Indian Coast Guard? So the correct answer option D, which is L&T Shipyard. Indian Coast Guard has commissioned a high-speed interceptor boat C448 in Mangaluru, Karnataka. This interceptor boat built by L&T Shipyard will have a crew of 12 personnel commanded by Assistant Commandant Apurva Sharma. Question number 8. Who has been nominated as the life president of Asian Tennis Federation? So the correct answer is option D, which is Mr. Anil Khanna. Senior sports administrator Anil Khanna, who decided not to contest the president post of an Asian Tennis Federation, was nominated life president of the continental body. Khanna had served the ATF president from 2005 to 2019 and also ITF vice president from 2015 to 2019. Question number 9. Which has become the first South Asian nation to offer mediate between India and Pakistan? So the correct answer is option A, which is Nepal. Nepal has become the first South Asian nation to offer mediate between India and Pakistan. Question number 10. Which district has topped the list of aspirational district ranked by the government think tank Niti Aayog in December? So the correct answer is B, which is Chandauli. Chandauli district in Uttar Pradesh has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by government think tank Niti Aayog in December. Balagiri in Odisha and YSR in Andhra Pradesh have been placed at the second and third positions respectively. Question number 11. The 20th edition of World Sustainable Development Summit was organized by which country? So the correct answer option A, which is India. The World Sustainable Development Summit, the annual flagship event of TERI, held on 29 to 31st January 2020 under the broad rubric toward 2030 goals, making the decade count, laying focus on the global efforts being made to meet our 2030 targets. Question number 12. According to the Bureau of Policy Research and Development report, women comprises only dash percent of total police strength in the country. So the correct answer option C, which is 8.98%. Women comprises only 8.98% of the total police strength in the country, says a report released by Bureau of Police Research and Development. The data on police organization report was released by Union Minister Mr. Amit Shah. The report says that around 5 lakh police posts are vacant. Question number 3. World's largest meditation center was recently inaugurated in which city recently? So the correct answer is A, which is Hyderabad. A 1 lakh capacity meditation center claimed to be the world's largest such facility was inaugurated at the global headquarters of Healthfulness Institute and Sri Ramchandra Mission in Hyderabad, which impart training of Raj Yoga system of meditation. Question number 14. Who among the following has won the gold medal at Berlin cycling tournament? So the correct answer option C, which is S.O. Albon. Indian cyclist S.O. Albon has bagged a gold in the men's keirin individual event of 6 days Berlin tournament. Question number 15. Which country has set a Guinness World Record for holding the highest altitude fashion show event ever held on land? So the correct answer option D, which is Nepal. Nepal has set an all-new Guinness World Record for the highest altitude fashion show event ever held, the Mount Everest Fashion Runway, organized by RB Diamonds and Kasha Style in support of Nepal Tourism Board, was held at 5,340 meters elevation at Kala Pathar. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more video. Thank you.